There's a bit of a debate going on in the affiliate marketing circles, and the debate is high ticket versus low ticket versus recurring income products. Which one is the right pathway for me to take? Which one should I focus on, and which one is better? Now, before I go into today's video, if this is the first time on the channel, I'd like to say a very warm welcome to you. My name is Jamie. I'm a full-time affiliate marketer and a coach for a program with over 550 students. You're welcome to check that out. In the description below, there's a free guide on how I was able to blow up from 0 to over 10 grand per month using nothing but free traffic and my Facebook profile. Anyway, moving forward, all that being said, what is the right answer? Now, I'm going to run you guys through some mathematics. Now, bearing in mind, this is kind of a little bit ironic. I used to work in finance and I still can't add to save myself. It's a character flaw, let's say. Anyway, I'm good at remembering numbers, so let's go with that. So sometimes I get this argument and it's, yeah, I want passive income. I want the recurring passive income. And that sounds good from a surface level, but here's the thing that most people probably don't consider is the lifetime value of your individual customers. So I'm going to use a particular product, and let's just assume that it costs $97 per month. And as part of that, you get 40% recurring commission for every month that person remains with that particular piece of software. Maybe you can figure out which one I'm talking about. Anyway, all that being said, a lot of people are aiming to promote that particular product or other products, so on and so forth. Now, I'm not criticizing that ideal and that concept in itself. In fact, there's a lot of people that have made a considerable amount of money in their affiliate business from promoting recurring products. Here is the slight flaw in that model though. If you're taking something where you can make $1,000 or more for an affiliate sale, and you compare that to something where someone has to be part of that particular product for 27 plus months, I'll use an example I gave, in order to equate to one high ticket sale, can you see that there's a bit of an imbalance in that? Now, to make things more complex, most people probably won't stay with a particular program for that length of time. Most people probably quit after a month or 2 or 3 or 5. There's outliers to every rule, of course. Having said that, a lot of people think, well, yeah, passive income, but you got to have the active income first. And then a lot of people think, well, I don't want to be promoting high ticket stuff because it's not recurring. Like I want to do the work once and get the recurring income. And that's a noble goal, don't get me wrong, but here's a strategy that is going to help you out in order to help you get both of those at the same time. So the reality is that unless you've got a fairly sizable audience, or you're running paid traffic to your offers, you're probably not going to make a high ticket affiliate sale every single day as an organic marketer. Now, like I said, that is on the starting blocks. I'm not talking about people that have been doing it for a little while, but you're on the starting blocks. You're probably not going to make a high ticket sale every day. But the reality is that it's feasible that you can make 1, 2, 3, 5, etc. throughout the course of the month. So then the question remains, what do you do in between? What do you do on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday when you're not making high ticket sales? And the answer to that is that's where the balance of your portfolio comes in. That's when you can start promoting things that pay you $38 recurring every month, $50 recurring, $10 recurring. You can start promoting things that pay you $100 per sale. And so that way, over the course of time, you're gonna be able to balance out what you're doing. So you've got the recurring component of your portfolio, plus your core focus, like I say, because of the lifetime customer value, should be on the high ticket stuff. So hopefully that gives you guys a bit of a heads up in terms of that particular argument. That's my take on it. Now, like I say, I mean, there's a whole bunch of counter arguments. A lot of pundits will come out and say, well, that's completely bullshit. I want the passive income, man. But it still means that you have to have people stay in a particular product for X amount of time to equate to that lifetime customer value. So if you start thinking in terms of that, it's going to help you with your business and start setting up a portfolio of products that you can start to promote that will balance that out over the course of time. So hopefully you guys got some value from that. Like I say, if you got any interest in learning more about what we're up to, like I say, I'm a coach for over 550 students. You're welcome to click that button below. There is a case study there. It's going to lead you through to basically dispelling some of the myths that are out there in terms of affiliate marketing. And there's an option to book a call in with myself to see if you and I are a good fit to work together. Anyway, my name's Jamie. I appreciate you guys tuning in. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks very much. Bye-bye.